What is going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here, and I need to start this video by saying a special happy 5th birthday to my oldest daughter, Marin. She turns 5 today, and she is the subject of this week's video that really talks about the fact that your kids pick up more than you probably think they do. So last week we were on vacation and we were traveling through Michigan, and in the morning on one of the days, my wife went to the bakery and she got a couple of breakfast type items, and one of my daughters was eating a muffin, the other one was eating a scone, whatever the case may be. And I took a small bite out of each one, and Marin said, "Hey!" And Madeline said, "Hey!" And I said, "Well, dad tax, sorry," because I wanted to try their muffins, and I just really thought it was a fun moment there. Well, fast forward that afternoon, we're a little bit defeated. We were a little bit tired, and so lunch wasn't anything exciting. We were going to go into the grocery store and get some items for lunch. Didn't find exactly what we were looking for, and again, we were defeated, and ultimately the girls ended up with Lunchables. Parents of the year right here, bought our children Lunchables, though we did go to the produce section and get them a couple of bananas. But we took our food and we went to a nearby park and we sat down, and it was shaded, and we had some lunch, and it was great. And Ashley had to take our youngest daughter to go use the restroom, and during that time, my oldest daughter was trying to steal some of the crackers out of the little one's Lunchables section. I said, "No, you can't steal her crackers. There's just the right amount of crackers and cheese and meat to make the little sandwiches." And she looks at me, and as straight faced as can be, she says, "But what about the dad tax? I want a cracker." And I said, "You can't have the dad tax. You're not a dad." And she says, "Ah!" And it was just a fun moment that not only did she pick up on that from earlier in the morning, she tried to apply it in her own life later that day. And so I can only hope that the rest of my videos that I've been making over the course of the last 5 years end up being that same sort of inspiration, because if she can apply dad tax, then she can apply everything else I've been talking about over the years, and hopefully in one way or another it makes an impact. And so happy birthday, Marin. Daddy loves you. That's what this video is all about. Till next time, take care.